Are you struggling with unhealthy eating patterns? Want to pay more attention to what you eat this year? You came to the right place. As we continue, we encourage you to please like, share and subscribe to watch more of this video. We are what we eat. To protect your health, you should adopt healthy eating habits. Healthy eating habits are simply eating nutritious meals in an adequate proportion. Healthy eating provides many benefits, from good health to fighting against chronic diseases and maintaining a healthy weight. Some eating habits are developed from a very young age, while others are influenced by lifestyle or friends. Understanding your eating habits plays an important role in managing them. In this video, we show you some ways to do that. 1. Eating less salt. Salt is important to improve the taste of meals, but only at an adequate amount. As important as sodium is for the body, it can become toxic and goes to increase blood pressure, which is a major contributor to heart disease. To reduce salt intake, you can start by reducing the intake of packaged foods, as they contain high sodium. If you must use processed foods, check the labeling for the salt content. You are also substituting salt for other seasoning alternatives sometimes when cooking is great too. 2. Reducing sugar intake. To develop healthy eating habits, you ought to watch your sugar intake. Most of your sugar intake comes from sugary drinks, such as carbonated drinks and sweetened juices. Substituting your carbonated drinks with fruit juices and smoothies containing vitamins and minerals will go a long way to reducing your sugar intake. For snack lovers, you may not be able to stop eating those sweet snacks, but having fewer snacks will help you eat healthily. When buying snacks, go for the ones with low calories, and your body will thank you daily. 3. Staying hydrated. Drinking water is essential to your health as it provides many benefits to your body, such as preventing dehydration, constipation, and kidney stones. It also aids in body temperature regulation and removes waste from your body through urine and sweat. 4. Adding fruits to your diet. Fruits are an important part of a healthy diet because they provide the body with the essential vitamins and minerals that may not be present in adequate amounts in regular meals. When it comes to eating fruits for a balanced diet, we advise eating varieties of fruits, because a single fruit may not provide all the essential nutrients your body needs to stay healthy. Fruits are beneficial to your body as they help ease digestion, reduce oxidative stress, and control blood sugar levels, decreasing the risk of diabetes. 5. Avoiding overeating. If you think you are saving the food from being wasted by gulping down everything, then here's a shocker for you. All the excess food you eat goes into the making of waste that you pass out as feces and urine. And this time, it only comes with leaving some extra weight that becomes a problem for you in the long run due to the many disadvantages of excess weight gain. So which do you prefer? Trashing the food gently in the waste bin, or allowing your body to do it for you while leaving its effect? If you want to develop healthy eating habits, then you must learn to stop eating once you are full. Bonus tips. 6. Never skip breakfast. Experts say that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and if you must skip a meal, it should not be breakfast. Breakfast sets you up for the day. It provides your body with the nutrients to kickstart the day. That is why we advise that your breakfast is the complete package, with all the required nutrients. If the longevity we all seek must be attained, we must adopt healthy eating habits, because it is the ticket to staying healthy and living a long, happy life. For more assistance, do not hesitate to reach out to us at Healthy Lifeside. We are here to help. Want more tips? Check out our previous video on 5 healthy fruits to complement your diet. And please like, share and subscribe to our channel to have access to other similar videos. If you want to learn more about Kangen water, we've got a bunch of videos about it on our channel, some articles on our blog and even an entire page dedicated to our experience with it. Or, if you prefer, You can always drop us a line, and we'll be more than happy to point you in the